Meet the trusted classic that stands the test of time. MaxxMacro's Electrode holders. Available in aluminum, stainless steel, and brass. Meticulously crafted from premium materials, each variant arrives fully assembled on the robust MaxxMacro 54 stainless cast pallet, transforming these holders beyond mere tools. They are precision instruments, ready to run. Specifically designed for CNC and sinker EDM applications, they are perfect for use with saw cut and milled blanks. Complete with chip pocket positions for automated robotic loading and boasting 100% cross-compatibility with System 3R products, these holders seamlessly integrate into your existing setup. Choose the MaxxMacro pocket holders for a range of pocket sizes to securely anchor your workpiece, providing adaptability for various electrode machining needs. Additionally, explore the MaxxMacro slotted holders, featuring a slotted design for enhanced versatility in sizes from 15mm to 35mm width. Equipped with 4 set screws to firmly secure any workpiece. Elevate your CNC experience today with MaxxMacro 54 electrode holders in aluminum, stainless steel, and brass. Contact us or visit our website to explore the full potential of your machining operations.